So you might be trying to figure out how you can slow down a video on your iPhone. Now doing this is very easy, but you do have to keep in mind that depending on the frames per second that video was filmed in, it may not be the best looking video of all time, but it's still worth a shot. If your video was filmed in 60 frames per second, which if you don't know what that means, then it probably wasn't, then that's probably the best thing to do. But in this case, if you want to slow down a video, what you want to do is you want to download the iMovie application. Now on your iPhone, it's probably already pre-installed. It's completely free. It comes installed with every single iPhone. But if you deleted it for some reason, you can make your way over to your app store. You can just search up iMovie just like so, and you can download the application and pretty much go on from there. So once you have it downloaded, you want to go and open it up, and you'll be able to basically develop a movie project within this application. So here what I can do is sometimes you will see this little option come up at the bottom. So what we can do is we can go and click on movie right here, and we want to go ahead and bring in the video that we want to slow down. So in this case, I made a video forever ago. I remember this was like June. So here I'll go and bring this video in, and it's just some random TikTok. Now, like I mentioned, with this type of video, it's not letting me click it. Okay, so here's that video, and once you bring it in, you can go ahead and play it, and you'll basically be able to see it's a normal video. Now, if you want to slow it down, all you want to do is you want to go and click on the video just like this. And when you do that, you'll basically be able to see some options that come up at the bottom. Now, most likely you'll be like in this button. What you want to do is you want to click on that second button right there, which will bring you into this specific panel. And here what you want to do is you want to slide this indicator down. You can see it's 1x, now it's 4x, now it's 2/3 x, now it's 1/2. So now this video has been slowed down 1/2. So it's half as fast as it was before, and you can go and make it smaller or bigger depending on however way you want it. Now, like I said earlier, it slows everything down so it doesn't sound as great, and you can see, but it does slow down the video. So you can see right here, if I'm scrolling through, it's going to go ahead and slow down the video for you. So that's pretty much how to do it. Now, if you want to export this video, all you have to do is go ahead and click on Done, which is right up here. You want to go ahead and click on the Share button at the bottom, and you want to go ahead and click Save Video, and it's going to go ahead and save this video out. It's going to export it, and that's pretty much how to do it. You can then view it inside of your Photos application. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.